Power BI is a leading data analytics tool that enables businesses to make quick and accurate decisions. From closely monitoring business performance to improving operational efficiency, Power BI reports have helped many companies enhance their competitive edge. However, when it comes to sharing these reports with multiple users, especially external customers or partners, managing access and the associated costs can become significant challenges. On-Hand BI offers a web solution using Power BI Embedded, allowing you to share Power BI reports with anyone, even those without a Power BI account. This is particularly useful for businesses that collaborate with numerous partners, clients, or distributors. Agencies or distribution businesses often have many external users, and On-Hand BI effectively addresses this need without the expense of purchasing additional Power BI licenses. Full interaction. Reports retain the interactive capabilities of Power BI, allowing end users to easily explore the data. Real-time updates. Data is continuously refreshed and updated, ensuring accuracy in the reports. Dynamic row-level security. Ensures that each user can only view data that matches their access level, maximizing data security. Email notifications. Users can receive reports via email, making it easy and convenient to stay informed. On-Hand BI offers solutions tailored to different business needs. Software as a service. For small and medium businesses, On-Hand BI provides a SaaS model, offering an affordable, scalable solution that reduces costs while optimizing resources. Dedicated server for large enterprises. Large companies can opt for a dedicated server, with a separate server set up exclusively for them. On-premise for high security needs. For businesses with high security requirements, On-Hand BI also supports on-premise deployment directly on the client's server. On-Hand BI not only helps you save costs, but also provides flexible and secure solutions. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help your business optimize the use of Power BI.